80 acres of hay on the ground. Bearing out in the Baler. White's family reunion tomorrow. Who's gonna win? Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Welcome back, YouTube. I owe y'all a lot of explanations, I guess you would say. We've been busy. Had my little gout flare up, and then after that, when it got right, we started working. So of course I didn't record a lot, but just to catch you all up, we planted that Bermuda that we were talking about, cropland converting. We weaned those calves, which you'll see this episode, and then what else have we done? Cut some hay, and then yeah, now we finna go check some calves. I got it, Carlo. I got it. Now we're gonna go check some calves. Got some of those what we call late calves or out of season calves. But yeah, before we get into today's shenanigans, like I said, we weaned those calves. So just check out a little footage of us working those calves up. We weighed all the calves, weighed the calves, and the ones that we weaned, we went ahead and took them off. So check it out. Okay. Gonna wean some calves, and what else we gonna do, Ken? Wean some calves. We're gonna weigh them, weigh the calves that we got. And we're gonna plant some Bermuda grass. Go help him, Shad. What you doing?
What you doing?
Getting that gate? We got some special guests. He don't know what he's doing. He lost in the sauce. I'm gonna have to charge him for repping other companies around here.
Stupid. Gotta rep the game, baby.
Oh. Hold on, wait, one more. One more. Oh. Right, come on, let go. Let go. Get on, give me that plate. So.
Oh. Oh. Walking down, Carlos. Up. Over here, Carlos. Let him go through.
There you go, get three. Three. Right there, right there. Right there, stop the calf. Get the calf. Let it go, let him go. Alright, where's we going?
That's the calf, right?
Yeah, we get the calf over. Come on, let me go.
Oh. Oh.
We ain't had no calf yet. That's Big Mama, she the one waiting. They just chewing down. 55, y'all remember her last year, her calf was lost. That's the one we AI'd to the select side bull and lost the calf, but yeah. She hadn't had nothing today. You ready to pop, Big Mama? They chewing a little cud, if you didn't know. When they laying down like that, a cow laying down is a happy cow. But when they're eating the grass, they're not necessarily eating it right when they're pulling it from the ground. They store it in their stomach. You know, cows got 5 stomachs. So they store it in their stomach, and then, yeah, when they're ready to eat, they lay down and regurgitate it and then chew on it. Did you know that, Carlos? Hmm? Did you know cows throw their food back up and chew on it to eat it?
No.
Learn something new every day, don't you?
I guess so.
That's why we out here. This is the rest of the herd. Those a few of the calves. They weren't quite old enough. You probably look at them and say, man, they pretty big, but they weren't quite old enough, so we're not taking them. You might see us a live breeding soon. She said not in front of her child. That's another one of the young heifers. If y'all remember her, she was a part of the 10. I think she was a part of she was a late add to the 10. I think about 2 years ago we kept this calf. So she was like one of the first part of the calves that we made the limited on. She's a part of the limited. like I said earlier, one thing we did was go ahead and plant this Bermuda grass. Cropland, like I said, we used to do this in soybeans. Y'all probably seen us cutting the rye hay off of it. Did a rye cover crop this winter on it. And then we cut that off of there. Then we pretty much converting this to a Bermuda hay field. But yep, we planted it. Got a little weed competition, a little Johnson grass coming up, but at this time in the Bermuda stage, this is where you say, I hope it can make it, because when you got some freshly planted Bermuda, you really can't spray it like that. You can't spray it and you know, try to help out with the weed competition, because you don't want to burn it back as well, because it's gonna be pretty young and tender. So about 45 days we have to come back, check it. But right now we're just checking to make sure no army worms or nothing like that land on it. We ready for those army worms this time. They can come on if they want to. Dropping nukes. So one thing we talked about earlier, for those in the planting the rye video, basically we had a sensor that we thought was bad on our bale size monitor on our John Deere 457 round baler. So we thought the sensor was bad. We replaced the sensor, and you know, it still wouldn't let us know our sizing scale. So now what we're gonna do is I've broken down the wires if you've never been inside one. So the hose that connects all the way to the baler and runs all the wires comes in here in this tube. This is it. It plugs into your monitor wire that's inside the cab, and yeah, it transmits signal to our actual monitor. I know I'm supposed to make that a more permanent fix, but yeah, so it's transfers there. But what we were getting is an error code. So now what I'm doing is just looking at these wires, trying to see which one is the bale size monitor wire. And then if I know that, then we can kind of trace it down and follow that wire all the way to the back. But yeah, this is what it looks like on the inside. A whole lot of wires, whole lot of push pins. Trying to push it back down in there now so I can get the push pins. Well, so really I can go back in with it. I kind of already fixed it, or think I got my first version of the fix done. And yeah, we're gonna try it. So, after all that fumbling, it just wasn't making good ground contact, so we fixed it. Hopefully. Bearing went out, we finna replace the baler, get right back in the field. Rain still looking good, so let's get it. You got that one?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. It's got it strong.
It's out of there. Yeah, it go right there. Head and tuple.
So somebody say about 40 pounds.
That's what it is. You gotta come out one side there.
Gotta come out at the same time.
Which one you think?
Come up straight up together. Hold on, let me get my ladder straight. Coming, you got it?
Which one you want to go to, me or you?
Go to you. You gonna go and get down, or you got it? Cause I'm gonna turn loose.
Yeah, turn it loose. Corporate, right here. So you know you gotta take both of them out.
Yeah. home in a good while.
Well, we caught it better than the other one. The other one burnt gone all the way.
Yeah. Another bear.
Yeah, that's what I said. They just hit it on the ground and where it won't go right up in there. It pops right out. Come on.
Turn it a little bit. No, turn the whole thing. The roll. There you go. The bearing's still up. The race still up in this one, though.
Yeah, you know we gotta cut that out.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ain't the same one, though, is it?
What? It ain't the same what? Same roller?
Well, this roll and the other one.
Yeah, all three of them the same.
All three of the same.
That's right. And the race won't come out of there.
Burned up.
Melted.
And got hot.
Some would say that.
Good job, man.
I loosened it up.
It ain't.
Oh, I thought that was it.
I thought that was it too.
You dropping it too.
Bar you to pry it out.
Oh yeah.
Doggy. Leave scratch mark in there. Sandpaper and smooth it out.
Oh, what a feeling. We up and rolling. What a feeling. Let's beat this rain. Thanks for watching, y'all. Really appreciate y'all.